The principle of intentionality is what separates the ordinary from the extraordinary. In the world of woodworking and home decor, it's not simply about creating functional pieces or filling a room. It's about crafting with purpose, designing with soul, and building with a vision. When a woodworking and decor project is fueled by intentionality, it becomes more than just a weekend hobby or a way to decorate a corner. It becomes a transformative act, reshaping not just physical space, but the emotional experience of living in it. Welcome to Decor Ideas, your calm corner of design inspiration. Just clear and creative content focused on woodworking, decor, and functional beauty. We're here to inspire you. Each project is designed to inspire your next move, whether you're a seasoned craftsman or just starting out. Join us, subscribe, and make every space more you, with style, warmth, and a touch of wood. Today we will show you a collection of wood furniture ideas and wooden decorative pieces ideas for home decor. So, watch the video until the end to see this beautiful collection and get inspiration. At its essence, intentionality is the conscious decision to shape every detail with meaning. It's the guiding principle that asks, why am I building this? Who is it for? What feeling do I want it to evoke? When you apply this mindset to a woodworking or decor project, even the simplest build, a bench, a shelf, a wall accent, gains depth. It becomes a conversation piece, a source of daily comfort, or even a symbol of growth and identity. Intentional design doesn't shout, it resonates. Consider a project like building a statement wall piece from reclaimed wood. At face value, it might seem like an aesthetic upgrade, a touch of rustic charm, a bit of natural texture to balance out modern minimalism. But approached with intentionality, this project becomes a story. Perhaps you choose wood with character, planks that still hold nail marks from an old barn, or beams from a neighbor's renovation. You take the time to sand just enough to reveal the grain while preserving the scars. You arrange them not randomly, but in a pattern that reflects rhythm, memory, or movement. Suddenly, this isn't just decoration, it's a quiet monument to the past, to craftsmanship, to sustainability. Every person who walks into the space will feel something, even if they can't put it into words. Intentionality also means crafting for the way people truly live. An extraordinary woodworking project doesn't just sit beautifully in a room, it serves the lives unfolding within it. It acknowledges the flow of a household, the need for balance between form and function. A handcrafted entryway console, for example, becomes more than a surface for keys. It can be intentionally designed to hold mail, display meaningful art, tuck away shoes, and offer a moment of pause at the threshold of the home. Its measurements, compartments, finishes, and placement are not generic. They are tuned to the pulse of the space it inhabits. The excitement of such a project lies in this deeper engagement. You are not merely building a thing, you are designing an experience. When you allow yourself to dream beyond templates and kits, when you stop to think not just about how it looks, but how it feels, how it will be used, and who will touch it daily, you open the door to design that is both deeply personal and universally appealing. That's where transformation happens. You are no longer replicating trends. You are crafting legacy pieces. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. What makes this even more thrilling is the way intentional woodworking taps into both the primal and the poetic. Wood, as a medium, has its own language. Each grain, knot, and ring tells a story of time and place. To work with it intentionally is to listen to that language. You're not just cutting and shaping, you're collaborating. Choosing walnut over pine, hand-planing a live edge rather than trimming it square, leaving imperfections as part of the piece. These are all decisions made in partnership with the material. The result is a build that breathes. It's alive in a way that no machine-made furniture could ever be. It invites touch, it ages with grace, and it holds the spirit of the maker. This is particularly important when the goal is to transform a space. Our environments affect our behavior, our mood, our sense of belonging. A room becomes lighter, more open, more calming or energizing, not just through color and lighting, but through the objects we choose to place in it. A handmade wooden pendant lamp, for instance, crafted from thinly sliced veneer or bentwood techniques, can dramatically alter how a room feels, not only because of the light it casts, but because of the intentional craftsmanship it embodies. It becomes a symbol of care and beauty in everyday life. When woodworking meets decor under the banner of intentionality, creativity also expands. You start to experiment, not for novelty's sake, but because you're chasing something honest. Maybe you blend two wood tones because they remind you of your grandparents' home. Maybe you design floating shelves that echo the lines of the horizon outside your window. You begin to integrate other materials, metal brackets that age with time, rope, stone, or glass. The result is a layering of elements that feels both curated and spontaneous, like the best kind of art. The transformation that comes from such a project is often internal as much as external. When you spend hours measuring, cutting, sanding, and finishing, you're also shaping patience, focus, and pride. The object that emerges from your hands carries that emotional labor. And when you place it in your home, it's not just decor, it's a piece of you. Guests may compliment it for its beauty or uniqueness, but you will always know the process behind it, the mistakes you overcame, the vision you held onto. That's where meaning is born. There's also a financial aspect to intentionality that's often overlooked. Pieces built with this kind of depth and purpose tend to hold more value, not only because they're well made, but because they carry a clear design philosophy. Whether you're building for personal spaces or creating pieces to sell, the intention you pour into the process makes the final product more desirable. Buyers are no longer looking only for beautiful furniture. They're searching for pieces that feel right, ethically made, environmentally sound, emotionally resonant. A well-designed piece that tells a story commands attention, even in a crowded marketplace. And most importantly, intentionality gives you permission to slow down. In a world rushing toward efficiency and speed, there's radical power in pausing. In planning a woodworking project not based on shortcuts or templates, but on your own sense of form, function, and feeling. That's where the extraordinary is born, not in complexity, but in clarity, not in extravagance, but in alignment between idea, material, and execution. So when you dream up your next woodworking and decor project, consider stepping away from what's trending. Instead, step toward what's timeless. Ask yourself why the piece matters, what role it will play, what story it will tell, and how it will live in the space. Let that sense of purpose guide your hands. Because in the grain of every board, in the curve of every cut, there's an opportunity to say something real. And when you build with that kind of intention, what you create won't just decorate a room. It will transform it. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood furniture ideas and wooden decorative pieces ideas for home decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.